Hi guys, my name's Bill, and in this video we're going to go troubleshoot and repair a Whirlpool dryer that's making a horrible sound. Alright, so what we're looking at is a Whirlpool dryer and it's making a terrifying sound. Listen to this. Okay, so now that you heard the sound, let's repair it. Alright, so I checked the rollers and everything inside the dryer to make sure the rollers weren't broken or anything like that, and that's where the noise was coming from. I took the front off so we can clean that out. So now we're coming around to the back of the dryer and I see these big chunks of plastic inside the vent. So if we look down inside here, I don't know how well you can see in there, but it's full of plastic. And if we look at the vent back here, I think this might have something to do with your noise. So let's take this back off and look inside the blower wheel. I have a feeling that this is where your noise is coming from. I was really hoping that there would be something lodged in here, but yours disintegrated. And here's all the pieces. Definitely where your noise is coming from. You're not going to fix that right now. I might have the wrong tool for this. Okay. So yeah, it just threads off like normal. This is a very interesting little setup. Just one more thing to break. But yeah, we can just unthread that whenever we get the new one. Okay, so it's been a few days since we discovered that the blower motor was shot. So now we're just going to go ahead and remove it from this side. So I got a pair of vice grips and an adjustable wrench. I'm going to attach the vice grips to the shaft of the motor and use the adjustable to turn this blower wheel off of the motor. So to hook the bottom of the front panel, these little clips on the front of the dryer are hooks, and those hooks go into this square hole right here. So you start in high and then let it sit down on top of the hooks. Now for the moment of truth. Is it going to blow up when I plug it in, or is it going to blow up when I hit the start button? And that's the dryer running. Much better. Alright, so the last thing we're checking is after we got the dryer running, that there was no air blowing out. So this changes my theory on what happened with the blower wheel disintegrating, and I think it got too hot and got brittle over time, because when we pull this vent off, it's blocked up with about a ½ inch thick of lint that never made it out of this little screen here. So we pop this off. Now the flap can open up and the air can escape from the house. So I think that's what caused the blower wheel to get weak and disintegrate. Now that I got the vent cleared out, he's going to run inside and start the dryer. Let's see if the flap opens after we've cleaned it out. Woo, there we go. So he's been having an issue for a while, and it looks like some more stuff has blown up against the screen that was trapped inside the venting. So I'm going to pull this off one more time and clean it out twice, because that's what I think it needs. Okay, so I took it off and cleaned it out one more time. There must have been a lot of lint trapped inside the venting from it not venting in the first place. So once it fired up and was able to blow out, all the lint that was laying inside the pipe got up against the screen again. So that's just a pointer for you guys that have a plugged up vent. Make sure you clean it out, start the dryer, and then check it again, because it might be plugged up the second time. But usually after the second time you're fine. Okay guys, so that's how you repair a Whirlpool dryer that's making a terrifying sound. So if you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and do that now. And thanks for watching.